Hello students, standard 7, subject max, chapter 1, integers, exercise 1.4. Question number 5. See in your textbook, read carefully, analyze it and understand. See what is asked in this question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree Celsius above zero. If it decrease at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? So, what would be the temperature at midnight? Here two things it is asked in the question, that first of all you have to find it out the time. What time? See, what time would be the temperature? So you have to find it out time. And secondly, what would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, and it, see, your temperature at noon means afternoon, okay, and midnight means adhi raat, okay. So when 12 o'clock is there na, temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, okay, above zero means positive, okay, and it decrease means fall down at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. At what would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below. So below, if it is given 0, below 0, so what will be minus 8 degree Celsius, okay, here. So when it reaches to minus 8 degrees Celsius, what would be the time? You have to find it out first, time when it reaches to minus 8 degrees Celsius, okay. So, and secondly, what is the temperature at midnight? That we will solve afterwards, but first we will find it out this time. So here, see, in the solution what I have done, I have drawn here one number line, okay. You know the number line. See here 0, and after the 0, these are the positive number, these are the negative integers, okay. So here what says that when temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, when it reaches to minus 8, what is the time? And it is given that it decrease by 2 degrees Celsius. So what you have to do is, when here it is in 10 degrees Celsius, okay, temperature. So when it reaches to 8 after 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 8, it reaches to 8, we want minus 8 only, okay. 8 degrees Celsius below means minus 8. So what we have to find the time. Suppose if it is when it is on 10, it is 12, okay. When it reaches to after 12, it comes to 8. So what we have to write here, this is your 12, then 12 after 1 noon, 1 p.m, 2, year 3, year 4, year at 05, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So when 8 degrees Celsius is there, time is what? 9 p.m. So I have explained you on number line, so that you can able to understand it properly how to do. But when we want to do in this way, in the solution way, we will do like this. See, we have to make it column time, temperature, okay. This you understand now. See here, 2 degrees Celsius we have to decrease, and then we have to write the time. On the number line I have explained you. Now this way I am explaining you. See, at noon temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. It is given in the question only. So when after 10, see, it reaches to 1, so 12, when time is 1 o'clock, what is the temperature? See, 10 minus 2. Every time you have to do minus 2 because it decreases by 2 degrees Celsius. So decrease means minus 2. So is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. See, here it is given positive 8, isn't it? When 1, it is 8. When time is 2 o'clock, 8 minus 2. This 8 you have to take here. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. When time is 3, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. When time is 4 o'clock, here 4 you have to take. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. When time is 5, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. See here, at 5 o'clock, isn't it? When time is 6 p.m., 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. When time is 8 p.m., minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6. When time is 9 o'clock, 9 p.m., minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So you have to at 9 o'clock, temperature is below 8 degrees Celsius. Below means you have to write minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, here every time degree Celsius, degree, this is degree, temperature. Okay, so therefore the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius will be at 9